Oh God, which one be fake game? No be if this is a bit too soon. You feel a shout and they work like this. You just a discard person. Can this na computer dey beat you since.
Hi guys. Hi. Man, are the hungry like?
Which kind thing be this?
Why
you do like this now?
After you
Oga, no shake me, Joshua.
after you cook.
Shey you greet my friends like this?
Hi, sorry, hi. You cook. I don't look me like that. Why you go tell me say?
Oga, go your babe house, go shop. Which one?
I go tell me now. I go come here. Why you dey tell me like this now? You so you don't cook.
I don't cook.
You know rich now. It's concern.
Oga, calm down. Come first now. Show.
Afa.
Get one babe wey wan give me that time.
Afa, first give me food please.
Calm down.
Whatever jele you give me.
Yeah, I like that.
Then you go press me money. Press me money. Me I dey go.
What is this? Me and you together, the one go dey
press me money. Me I dey go now, bro. No dey talk this kind thing.
Oh yeah, cook rice like that.
No wait, calm down. I go chop rice. I go give you that babe number.
Yeah.
You go give me money.
How go dey give you money for babe?
You.
Me and that day. Now this your bank account how dey pay you no get boyfriend.
You go tell me say you wan enter me now.
A few moments later.
No fit give me.
If God will create a woman, not fit make woman happy. The one where they give blast
they
with bleaching cream to bleach am.
You give me number, why you dey do like this? I just don't shop food like this.
No be say the food sef sweet. May I just help your life like that.
Can't give me like that.
I beg go. If this talk later come out say the person dey give you babe, no mention my name give your babe. I no dey
packaging. Sense. Everywhere good. Just give me the babe number like that.
I don't send and give you like that.
Thank you, yeah.
Me dey near you wan shock me.
Wetin you get is a lie. Let me say it. But when you get connected,
you will just stop finish. You wan shock me to death. Now shocking be this now.
You see why you no get boyfriend?
Leave her like that. Leave her. No be say make you shock me. You dey mad wey dey. You wan kill me?
You know.